The legacy networks inside data centers are built using multiple layers. If you look at the life of a packet as it goes through these various layers, it comes up here, it gets processed, goes up here, gets processed at the input, gets processed at the output, goes here, gets processed at the input, gets processed at the output, and the same complicated business happens many, many times. So if you count the number of processing steps, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And because this data center is inefficient in its utilization of resources, maybe the user has to wait for a few seconds, maybe 10, 15 seconds before the request gets served. Well, that wait time shows up as a little spinning wheel on your favorite iPhone or iPad or Android device or your PC. And that's the frustration that people feel. The approach that Juniper has is different. And the main technological barrier to scaling data centers and making them more efficient is exactly the networking technology that is used to tie all the equipment together. And Juniper's approach to solving this problem is to actually make the central connecting networking technology be a fabric. The present mode of operation is really to have 3 layers. This is the first layer, the second layer, the third layer. These are 3 layers of switches. And what Juniper has already rolled out to market is to go from these 3 layers to a 2-layer approach. So essentially what we do is we eliminate this aggregation layer altogether. We have a core layer and we have a top of rack layer. And finally, with our fabric technology, we're going to go from 2 layers to a single layer, where in one hop you can go from a source to a destination.